Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called display and brightness and tap on it, and here scroll down and find the option called sleep. Then select it, and right here we can select the duration, and we have 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 and auto. Select the duration you like. For example, I'm gonna select 15 seconds, then tap on OK, tap on the check mark, and my screen will turn off automatically after 15 seconds of inactivity. So we need to wait a little bit more, but it should turn off quite soon. Like this. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.